Hi friends, how are you? Hope you all are safe at home and enjoying at home stay. Okay. Now during this time, the whole India is under lockdown. So to give you some kind of homework, we are doing some preparation at home and trying to show you on this video. Hope you will enjoy and will practice at home. Today we will be making Sabudana Khichdi, and this Sabudana Khichdi is one of the famous preparation of Western India. During the festival time, especially when the fasting time, they make these on a regular basis and then have. The ingredients required for Sabudana Khichdi is the Sabudana soaked before and then cooked potato. We have got peanuts, cumin seed, lemon juice, green chili chopped, ginger chopped, and then curry patta. And then we have got some peanuts pounded also. And then naturally we will be requiring oil also. This sabudana which has been soaked in the morning for around 6 to 7 hours in water. Okay. And these potatoes are also cooked in advance and then peeled and cut into dices like this. Okay. First of all, we are going to put some oil. We will put some oil, and then you can add some ghee also in this. You can add some ghee, and then you can add some ghee also in it. Or you can use only oil or only ghee also. I have used both the things in a combination. Now when your ghee is hot, or oil is hot, or a combination of ghee and oil is hot, then in that you add this cumin seed. Okay. And allow this cumin seed to crackle. When the cumin seed is crackled a little bit, you add curry leaves, ginger, green chili, and peanuts also. Stir it nicely. And then you add the potatoes, or add the cut potatoes and stir nicely. If you think that oil is less, then you can add little more oil. When your potato is slightly crispy in nature, after cooking it on the oil, you add the soaked sabudana as per the quantity you want to make. I have not added the whole sabudana because I want to use that sabudana for making Sabudana Khichdi also. For making Sabudana Bada, which is another nice preparation from Western India. Okay, anyway, so you keep on stirring it. Now here, after cooking it for some time, you reduce the flame and allow it to get in low flame. In between, you add salt in it. There is the salt. There is the salt. You add salt in it. And if possible, put little sugar also. There is some quantity of sugar I am adding. And keep on cooking it. Slowly, we'll find the sabudanas are becoming slowly and slowly transparent in nature. When all the sabudana gets transparent in color, that means sabudana khichdi is ready. It's a very, very tasty fast food. Fast food in the sense food which they eat during the fasting time. It takes little time here. Did you notice the sabudanas are now getting slightly transparent? Okay. Remember, you need to keep in stirring or else there is a chances of sticking the sabudanas to each other. See, the sabudanas are transparent in nature. I think sabudana khichdi is more or less ready. Only thing now you have to check the seasoning, whether it is perfectly colored as salt and other things are there or not. If you want to make it slightly spicy, you can add crushed peppercorn or white pepper powder. That's up to your choice. Okay, thank you. Sabudana is ready. Now it's time to serve. Pick up the sabudanas and serve it in this plate. Generally, we serve this sabudana along with yogurt. Okay. Along with yogurt. Thank you. Hope you like my class. If you like the class, then and the dish, obviously, then we will be doing it once again in the next week. Okay. Till then, bye.